fourth grade. Today we are going to do in math more two-digit quotient, page 291-92. And this is Miss Korean's fourth grade class. What are we going to learn today? The lesson: divide to find a two-digit quotient, solve division word problem, and divide money. Let's look at the first story problem. There are 169 campers registered for the camp during last week in June. The camp director has chosen 14 college students to be team leaders during that week. He wants to assign an equal number of campers to each team leader. How many campers will be on each team? So boys and girls, if you look, there is 169 campers. So underline that. Then 14 college students. And you need to divide them equally among the 14 college students who are going to be the camp directors. So you divide 169 divided by 14 college students. And your division, when you learned yesterday how to divide two-digit division, you will get 14 will go in 16 one time, and then you will have 6 minus 4, you will have 29. 4 will go into 14 will go again twice, and then you will have 12 in the quotient, remainder 1. So that means each student will have 12 campers, and one team will have an extra student. So one of the teams will have 13 because there was one remainder. So there are 169 campers registered for the camp during the last week in June. The camp director has chosen 14 college students to be team leaders. So 14 college students are the team leaders, and your answer is each team leader will have 12 campers, with one team leader having an extra. Okay, let's go and look at another story problem. On Saturday, 18 women met at the church to start making a quilt for a missionary family. They have 446 quilt squares. What is the average number of squares made by each woman? What does average mean? Look at the definition Ms. Green put on the top. Average means rating or quantity for an approximate amount. So 446 quilt squares you have, and has to be divided equally among 18 women. So when you divide 446 divided by 18, you will get 24 in the quotient, remainder 14. So each woman will made average 24 squares. So on Saturday, 18 women met at the church to start making a quilt for a missionary family. They have 446 quilt squares. What is the average number of squares made by each woman? 446 divided by 18 gives you 24 squares each woman. Okay, let's look at number 3. A story problem. Hannah has 282 beads to make a necklace for girls in her Sunday school class. She needs 38 beads for each necklace. How many necklaces can Hannah make? So altogether she has 282 beads. She is going to use 38 beads in each necklace. So you will divide 282 divided by 38. You will get 7 necklaces she will make with 16 beads left. Okay, now let's look at number 4. Mr. Morris purchased 43 packages of felt tip markers for his art classes, giving them 903 markers to divide equally among his classes. How many markers were in each package? My marker, boys and girls, is fading away, but I just wanted a different color to give you a little difference between all the different story problems. So here again, Mr. Morris purchased 43 packages of felt tip markers for his art classes, giving them 903 markers to divide equally among his class. So 903 divided by 43, you will get 21 markers. So how many markers were in each package? There were 21 markers in each package. Okay, let's look at now. We have to learn how to divide money. $4.50 divided into 21. So you will, when you divide money, what is important? Look at it. It has extra things that we never had in the division problem was a dollar sign and a decimal point. So how do you divide money? Divide money is similar to dividing other numbers, but a dollar sign and a decimal point must be written in the quotient. Number 2, when writing money amounts, between what two places do you write the decimal point? Think about it. When writing money amount, between what two places do you write the decimal point? Between the $1 and the dimes place. So where will you write the digits in the quotient? Look at the between the dollar and the dimes place. Where will you write digits in the quotient of this division problem? In the dimes and the pennies place. There are not enough $1 to divide into 21 equal sets. So your digits will go where I put the XX. So there are no dollar in amount. There are no dollar amount to divide. So first we have to round the divisor. 21 will be rounded to 20. Look at the problem up here. The same problem. Draw 20. I put the 21 division in as rounded up as a divisor as 20. On the top of 4, I put a dollar sign, and then I am going to draw a line on 42 dimes, because now there is not enough. 21 cannot divide in 4, so I have to use the 2. So now that 42 is 42 dimes, because $4 has 40 dimes in it, and 40 plus 2 is 42. Is there a division fact that you solve this problem? Yes, 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. Where do you write the 2 in the quotient? In the dimes place. The 4 $1 have renamed as 40 pennies, and total of 42 dimes were divided. 42 divided by 21 is 2. So I did the problem up here, and you can see it. No pennies left. Bring down the 0. How many pennies are there to divide? None. So put 0 in the quotient, and so your answer is $0.20. And this is how you do money. Don't forget your dollar sign and decimal point. The decimal point comes between the dollar and the dimes place. So do page 291 and 292, and I'll answer questions at Zoom time. God bless. Have a good day.